It's really amazing. I'd never have thought it. Pretty great. The other battery lost speed over time, but this one stayed consistent, even in oak. The battery is really good, it's very powerful. I tried running the machine until it runs out of battery, but I didn't manage it. There's a lot of power in there. I can definitely imagine we'll switch to 8 amp-hour batteries in the near future.
In principle, it works almost by itself. You apply a bit of pressure, and the battery does the rest.
With a particularly hard wood, you definitely need a higher speed, and this battery certainly provided that. It has more power and is so much better than a corded machine. All in all, it's fantastic. For me, this is the future of cordless. Yeah, it's really in a league of its own.